Hi, Scotty.
Good morning, everybody. How are we?
We are in,
Wow. No coffee yet this morning. I need to get a cup of coffee in me. Okay, so.
Is that all you need in you?
Yes.
I think he's lying.
So, we've got everything kind of mocked up.
Yeah,
The guys
Bernzy
were
and I
trying
went nutso yesterday.
So we got this basically where it needs to be. Bottom, we just got to turn the other one, and they've got that basically where it needs to be.
Basically, the goal is this hose needs to be damn near sitting on this cross brace.
Yep. And we
Which
can't
Kyle
cut this
and I-
cross brace because,
It's structural.
and it's for the steering.
Yeah, it's structural.
There's just nothing we can do. We have to have it there.
Yeah. And it's already been notched at the bottom for the other radiator, which if we did that with this radiator, it's obviously not going to work because of the fan that we have to run. Now, Scotty, this was after you left yesterday. Bernzy and I had a little combo.
Ruh-roh.
If we have to, which is a bit on the scary side, if we have to, we can pull the fan off, mark it here, so you can slide this up and cut the plastic that's in here,
Right?
and gain a quarter or 3/8, which is scary.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to do that.
Yeah, I don't want to do it, but if we end up having to, we will. That's an if. Keyword. So, I think what we'll do is we'll get the lower hose on, get this sitting in there. And Bernzy and I kind of had it blocked up with boxes and miscellaneous shit. Hey, you're ringing. I'll wait.
What the hell? Let me turn them off.
Alright, so we got the lower hose on, which is actually helping support this.
Yep. So, I'm thinking. Yeah, I know. Me thinking that's a scary
That's
thought.
freaking dangerous, Scott. So get your lowers in, and then do your uppers, because you'll be able to kind of...
Yeah, it'll come in, but I need to figure out where this comes down.
And you got to bring that bottom in as far as you can, too.
Yep.
You like to bring your bottoms in anyway.
Well, hey,
You know,
it is what it is.
Give them a cocktail. You know,
Some dinner. The normal.
4-play leaves to 5-play,
Yeah.
and that ends in a mess.
This is just going to be a nightmare to get this proper. It just really is, and I know it. Because we need to figure out how all of this goes down.
Oh,
How far.
Yeah.
We know we're trimming this.
Oh, yeah. We're trimming a lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot of trimming involved. This is a lot of work.
Yeah, it is, because, I mean, we've got to make it right. This thing's got to run cool. And we'll get it. We'll get it. We always do.
Yeah, it's
There's
just
no
a lot
job
of
we
time,
have
and
not
it's,
been able to do.
You know, it's just, it was engineered elsewhere. And then the radiator was kind of just a ballpark measure, which is fine, because it does fit.
Yeah.
And then we just got to carry on my wayward son.
This is true. But
So-
on that note, ladies and gentlemen and germs and people of all ages, welcome to the big show.
It's a big show. Remember that wrestler?
I remember him.
He was actually a really nice guy. He's still alive.
Just like Randy Savage.
Oh yeah, brother.
You know what he used to do?
the top.
You know what he used to do?
Hot chicks.
Well, I'm sure he did. He worked at Amusements of Rochester as a carny.
You know what else he was?
The same company I used to work for. I started just after he left.
He was also a baseball player.
That's right, he was.
Mhm.
He actually did a lot. He was a good guy.
Well, you know his dad was a pro wrestler too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was a good guy.
Who's my favorite?
I don't remember. I can't keep track of all the...
Woo!
Oh, God.
Anyway,
Yeah, so on that note, we'll let you guys go so we can get back to
we
work.
went off topic as usual.
Yeah, normal.
And then the upper hose. Well, you gotta get it mounted first. Then we gotta play with the hose. You like to mount your hose though, right? We don't love them hose. Don't crack your head. Yep.
I know. I'm like stupid close.
Your dome is right there, buddy. And then you gotta lean that top. The top's gonna have to lean in a little bit, but you still have to leave some clearance for the fan. Some clearance. Now, here's where my thought process where we had the trimming of the fan came in.
Mm-hmm.
If we trim the fan, you could lean that back a little bit more.
Well, the
You
only
know,
problem
and-
is we have to get the hose up to the top of the radiator.
Yes.
And
You gotta get hose.
that's going to be a nightmare
Everything's a nightmare with Scotty.
because that hose is going to dictate how far we can go back.
Yeah, without pinching it.
Because we still have to get this on the front.
Yeah. Which is gonna be a real treat.
It's going to be stupid tight. Now, the good part is this bow's out.
Yeah.
So we have a little bit of room.
And you could actually cut damn near all this out if you have to. All right. Carry on, my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more.
If I put my head down right now, I might actually get an hour's worth of sleep. If I'm lucky.
You're not allowed to take your sleeping pills for the night, though.
Correct. Once I get those today, when I go get my medications and everything, I'm tempted on just going to bed like early. Like after I get them.
So like 6.
Yeah.
That actually sounds really good.
And then just, you know what, have dinner really, really early, take my pills, and try and get a good night's sleep. But, okay, enough about me.
Yep. It's always about you.
Just saying.
It's always about you.
Right?
You're famous.
No, I'm infamous.
Right.
Well, in my own mind.
Yes. And with that,
Adios, amigos.